What information must be in a research-informed consent form? Imagine you're about to join a new health study. Before you say yes, you want to know exactly what you're getting into. That's where an informed consent form comes in. It might seem like just paperwork, but it's actually a key part of respecting your rights and safety. When researchers plan to involve people in studies, they need to clearly tell you what the research is about and what it means for you. This form is your guide to understanding everything before making a decision. First, the form must state that the activity is research, not regular medical care. It should explain the purpose of the study in simple words. For example, if scientists are testing a new vaccine, they need to say so clearly. Next, it should describe what will happen during the study. This includes details like what tests or treatments you'll undergo, how often, and how long it will last. If there are questionnaires or physical exams, those should be listed too. The form must also talk about risks and discomforts. If there are possible side effects or pain, they need to be explained honestly. Researchers should tell you what they are doing to reduce those risks. It's equally important to include potential benefits. If you might get a direct benefit, like better health, that should be clear. If not, the form should say so. It should also mention if the study might help others in the future. Participants need to know about alternatives. If there are other options besides joining the study, those should be listed. Confidentiality is another key point. The form must explain how your personal information will be kept private and who can see it. If your data or biological samples might be used later for other research, you need to be told and asked for permission. Information about compensation or costs is important too. If you will be paid or reimbursed for expenses, that should be clear. If participating might cost you money or time, that needs to be explained. The form must emphasize that participation is voluntary. You can refuse or withdraw at any time without losing your healthcare benefits. Contact details for the research team and an independent oversight body should be included so you can ask questions or raise concerns. The language used should be simple and easy to understand. No confusing jargon. Participants should never feel pressured to join. Consent is an ongoing process, not just a signature on paper. Researchers should check in with you during the study, provide updates, and respect your right to leave at any point. Usually, consent is documented with your signature, but in some cases, verbal consent might be acceptable. For children or adults unable to make decisions, extra protections are needed, like parental permission or assent from the participant. In public health research, special issues come up, like using existing data or community risks. Ethical review boards make sure consent forms meet all rules and protect everyone involved. Overall, an informed consent form is about giving you all the facts in a clear way so you can decide freely. It's a vital part of respecting your autonomy, keeping you safe, and making sure research is done ethically and responsibly.